What's up, guys? Welcome to another reaction video. As you can see, me already listening to this song, so second on yo. Alright, let me be honest with you guys. Me listen to that song here at least a minimum of 1,000 times since morning, and it's around 5 p.m. now from the drop. It dropped last night, and you don't know. Once it's a Travis Scott, once it's a featuring Travis Scott, anything to do with Travis Scott, your boy gonna run up in that bitch. So we get this song, and yeah, as usual, I wanna share the reaction with you guys. So now I'm gonna try re-knock my first reaction to the song, if that make any sense. Yeah, it makes sense. Fuck it. Alright, I'm gonna find this song now. Let's pull it, okay? I did already play. So volume. Migos! Yo, I don't know. I read that nigga here. 4, 6, 7, let's go.
Always keep some bitches on the side, yeah. Don't stand too close, my diamonds gonna buy you. I get drugs for the right price,
yeah.
Eat it all, I'ma let that lean flow through my eyes. Say she never had a Migos night. I'ma make her sing like Kelly Price. Get rich.
So far, yo, you hear melody, or this shit just melodious and just perfect. Yo, Migos and Travis Scott. Why do you camera paranormal activities?
They call me sensei. Get robbed in the driveway. Bad bitches.
Yo, more until they hear Travis Scott part. When they hear Travis Scott part, they were gonna hear music.
Young niggas didn't graduate. You probably think I couldn't make. It's all good, God saved. Now I'm doing what I want. Yeah, that's my just a ride. Always keep some bitches on the side, yeah. Don't stand too close, my diamonds gonna.
I remember the song named Kelly Price. Kelly Price is a singer. I don't know much about her. Screw her.
Dash, dash. Treat the Bentley truck like a jack. Got the red and blues on my ass. Got lethal, nice, lethal, darts. Bitch got lethal, darts.
Travis Scott.
My money just ain't color Molly Tan.
Travis Scott.
You wanna go to heaven, grab my hand. She gon' suck me dry until we land. I'ma call on squad like what's the plan?
Yo, somebody come park right in front of me, and I can steer in that car. This is super awkward, but fuck it. True.
Say she never had a Migos night. No, I'ma make her sing like Kelly Price. Sing. Don't keep whispering on her, start my ride. Two-piece chicken wing without the fries.
Two-piece chicken wings without the fries. Fuck that. My overall, what may I call it now? Final concluding statement would be that this shit is fire. If you're not listening it yet, go ahead and listen it ASAP. Again, I'm gonna link it in the description. Check out my vlogs. Like this video if you like the song, but you don't really fuck with the video because you don't really fuck with me, but it's all good. Still like the videos, yeah. Team Ismash, I'm out, bitch. Why you sleep on me, so? You know, was somebody just sit in a car and talk to the camera before? Peace, bitch.